Hi, welcome. I'm Juli. Today you need your yellow board, the coins and this picture. Take your time and when you're ready, let's play. We are having a picnic today. So lovely. Okay, who's he? Dad. What's Dad eating? Cheese. Yummy. Let's place the coin. Let's see. Dad, yes, and cheese. Fantastic. Who's she? Mom. Very good. And what is she eating? Cake, yes. She's eating a piece of cake. Please place the coin on the board. Mom, good. Is she eating cheese? No, she isn't. Is she eating an apple? No. Is she having milk? No. Is she eating cake? Yes, very good. Who's he? Brother. Is he eating cheese? No, he isn't. He's eating an apple. Good. So, brother, apple. Great. Now, who's she? Sister, yes. And what is she having? She's having an ice cream. Delicious. Well, let's place the coin. Remember, sister, ice cream. Good. Can you find the baby? What's the baby drinking? The baby is drinking milk. Very good. Take a coin, please. Let's see. Baby and cheese? No. And apple? No. And milk? Yes, milk. Well done. Can you find the pet? Here it is. What's the pet drinking? Water. Good. Please take a coin and place it on the board. Pet, water. Excellent. Let's check if everything's fine. Yes, it is. Excellent job. Congratulations. See you in the next video.